The power of the subconscious mind. How to use the hidden power of your subconscious mind. MINDMAP. The conscious mind is limited. Limited by perception and experience. Only as good as its input. Using only your conscious mind means living in a psychic prison. Bound by the limitations of your senses. The conscious mind is very easy to enslave. We are a product of our times. We are a product of our conditions. We are a product of our culture. Want to go along to get along. Instead of the mind expanding because of these, the mind is warped and shrunk by these. Just how limited is our conscious mind? We are limited by our training. The conscious mind is bound by habit. The conscious mind is bound by reputation. The conscious mind is easily overruled by emotion. The conscious mind is powerful but self-limited. Your conscious mind is your most powerful possession. Your conscious mind impacts how you edit your personal reality. Your life is the product of your mindset. Everything about you starts out as choices. Nothing ultimately is an accident. But few people realize this. Fewer still take ownership of this process so it works for them, not the other way around. Your conscious mind is often enslaved by your mindset. You often waste the power of your conscious mind. Your conscious mind needs the help of your subconscious mind. If you want to achieve a breakthrough, you have to rediscover your subconscious mind. What is the subconscious mind? Your subconscious mind involves your collective non-conscious memory. Your subconscious mind ties you to the rest of humanity. Your subconscious mind overrides your emotions. Your subconscious mind is the source of your intuition. Learn to control your subconscious mind. To tap the power of your subconscious mind, you must first stop denying it. Stop chalking things up to chance. Stop thinking you were just lucky. Being at the right place at the right time, doing the right things with the right people, takes a lot more purpose/premeditation than you think. Test out your subconscious mind as much as you can. Go from fear to active collaboration. Every single second is an opportunity to consult with and test your subconscious mind. Let it be your compass. With your memory, let it draw up a map. Take ownership of this map. Do a subconscious mind self-audit. Just because it's hidden, doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Your subconscious mind is all too real. Stop using your subconscious mind as a Ferrari doorstop. Your subconscious mind will hold you back if you don't deploy it. The more you ignore your subconscious, the more mysterious it appears. Eventually, it seems like it doesn't exist. You continue to live away its consequences, but it's hidden to you because you choose not to look at it. The key to your subconscious mind is to stop fearing it. Own your subconscious mind. Take full ownership of your subconscious mind. Taking ownership means refusing to be afraid. Taking ownership means refusing to feel guilty. Taking ownership means allowing yourself to be curious again. Negative consequences arise primarily from our refusal to take ownership. Learn to explore your subconscious mind. Learn to map out your intuition. Don't be afraid of the beauty of your subconscious mind. Learn to live in your subconscious mind. Learn to live in the moment. Embracing your subconscious mind means you have to accept living in the moment. Get rid of sentimentality and delusions. Get rid of the worst form of delusion, regret. Would have / could have / should have. Thinking about alternatives only for emotional release. Just as worthless as daydreaming. Learn to trust yourself. Catalog your subconscious mind. Compile a subconscious mind profile. To hunt a fugitive, the FBI starts out with a profile. List down what your subconscious mind is currently doing. List down what your subconscious mind is capable of. Be aware of the disconnect. Write down a new vision for yourself with a full mind. Unleash your subconscious mind with these techniques. Constantly play the mental movie of your life that you consciously chose. Write down the ideal life for yourself based on your vision board. Turn your statement into a mental video. Unleash the power of all your senses when mentally rehearsing your desired reality. Unleash the power of mental states. Trust your subconscious mind when doing planning. Learn to trust the moment. Tap your subconscious mind to forgive yourself.